1927. W. 93%. Est riddles and answers. 1. How do you make the number 1 disappear? Add letter G, it's gone. 2. What building has the most stories? Library. 3. What room no one can enter? Mushroom. 4. Who can travel all over the world while staying in a corner? Stamp. 5. If you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't got me. What am I? Secret. 6. Feed me and I live, yet give me a drink and I die. Fire. 7. Take off my skin, I won't cry, but you will. What am I? Onion. 8. What has a face and 2 hands but no arms or legs? Clock. 9. What has a thumb and 4 fingers but is not alive? Glove. 10. What has to be broken before you can use it? Egg. What has a neck but no head? Bottle 11. 12. What belongs to you but is used more by others? Your name. 13. Everyone has it and no one can lose it. What is it? Shadow. 14. Which tables do you not have to lean? Dinner table. 15. Find me. I start with P and end with E, but I have thousands of letters. Who am I? Post office. 16. I am the biggest alphabet, as I contain the most water in the world. Who am I? 17. Answer. Alphabet C. 18. Fish. There is a kind of fish that can never swim. What is that? Dead. 19. I look taller when I am young, but as I get old, I become shorter and shorter. What am I? Candle. 20. My best buddy always makes mistakes, but I would easily get rid of the mistakes. What am I? Eraser.